Hello YouTube, this is Dawn from DaretoBeCreative, and I am here today with a haul from TM. I actually went out of town to do a training, and while I was out of town, and this is the spot I go to training, do some training to trainers at before, and I use the GPS where the Tuesday mornings at. But this time, I found 3 different Tuesday mornings within 15 minutes of each other, like from the epicenter where I was located, in different directions. And only one of them was a familiar one. I'm sorry, it was 2 new ones. And didn't get to go to my favorite spot. But anyway, I wanted to check out the new ones just to see if they had anything and to see the size of their craft aisle and what they had. They had a few things, like they had some of the stuff out for January, which was a lot of Tim Holtz and Delusion stuff. So be looking for that for the January items. They had some more of his stencils, some more of his crackle medium, what else did they have? I forgot now. Delusions. They had journals, they had stamps, they had stencils, more Tim Holtz, different papers and stuff, like the mixed media papers and stuff. I can't remember the rest of it, but anyway, it was Tim Holtz and Delusions were the things that's coming out for January, so they all had January dates on them. But I didn't really need it. I was just browsing, so I went to a couple of them, and like I said, that was most of the stuff. They had a couple of the things that had January dates on them. I haven't been to my Tuesday morning in a while, but anyway, this is some of the stuff I picked up. It wasn't a lot, but I got a couple of things. Got a couple of things off of clearance. They were 60% off. So this was $7.99. Oh, the Tim Holtz dies back out. It's weird because sometimes they're $9.99, sometimes they're $7.99. They're back to $7.99 right now. So the new ones that you'll see just coming out is a whole bunch of Sizzix dies. That's the other thing that's coming out for January. The Bigs dies. So it's quite a few of those are out. They're $7.99 instead of $9.99. But anyway, this was $7.99 on clearance. This is the older one. And this is the mini silhouettes, and it's 1852813, just in case you're looking for it. But this was one of the repositional magnet ones, and this was 60% off. So that's why I got that. And I do have the movers and shakers and the magnetic platform, and this will go through my Big Shot Plus. These won't fit in my Gemini or my Cuttlebook. Well, this can fit in my Cuttlebook. I'm sorry. And this is also another one I got on clearance. This was the watering can. I thought this would be nice. You can make some embellishments on it, put some flowers around it on the spout or on the handle. You could decorate it up. This one does require a premium crease pad, which I do have. That's recommended. This is 1853007. Again, it was 60% off, and so, you know. This means when it's a steel rule die, for those who don't know about dyes, that means it can cut other mediums other than just paper, fabric, chipboard, grunge board, different things like that. So that's one of the advantages of having some of these dyes if you want to make it into something more sturdier than just a piece of paper. Oh, but it cuts paper as well. Then pick up this Tonic Studio for $3.99, which is interesting. They had a lot of $3.99 ones up there, but most of the ones I already had. But they still had a lot of the $3.99 and the $4.99 dyes, whereas ours went like that. But they didn't really have too many new ones that I didn't have. So this is 2052193, and this is inline skate. And this lighting is kind of weird, but it's in the middle of like noontime, so you know how the sun is when it's transitioning over. Let's pick up 2 of the $1.99 double-sided tape, which is a 1/4 inch. And those numbers are 2038695. So double-sided tape, easy to tear. I picked up this for $1.99. These are just the little sticky hearts. They used to be cheaper. These are DIY shop, but they're still really nice. And they're puffy. And it's 1974140. And, oh, you get 52. One a week. So another Tonic Studio. This was just a sticker set for $3.99. And this is a birthday one. And it says it's party time. That's what it's called. It's 21 pieces. So you got balloons, you got a teddy bear, you got the strings. It's your birthday. It's party time. Just because I'm missing you, and some hearts. So that wasn't bad for 21 pieces for $3.99. The SKU is 2052193, and that's the same as the die. So again, it's not gonna help you. And then I got this one because I have 2 of the other sets in this Marmalade's World. This is Marmalade's World Accessory Set 3. I think I have 1 and 2, and there's 4 of them all together. So this is the present, the birthday cake, and the balloon, and that's what they look like. So I think I have the one with the roses, the purse, and something. I forgot what the other two sets are, but anyway. And I have the little boy. I have him. So to go to the accessory. So anyway, that has the same. This one is 2052194 because it's $4.99. I picked this Boat Bunny stamp up. I don't think I had this one, but I like it because it had the stems with it and the removable heads. This, I like using these kind of stamps. I have a similar one by Delusions that I use in my art journal. And this is 2050974 and also backgrounds on iCads and stuff. So I think it is kind of cute. I did pick up this Hey Mister. I do have the 12 by 12 pad. The small, you know, pad like this. Not a full 48 piece, but a small pad. And I think I already had the sticker set, but I just picked up another one just in case. 2035466. And this has how many pieces in it? This is by My Mind's Eye. I don't see the number. How many do they have on it? Oh, 17. So, you know, top dog, remember to do, killing it, too cool, #1 fan. So just some stickers and some banners that you can use. And some embellishments. Sorry about that little glare. And I read that 2035466. So the paper pad for the My Mind's Eye, and this one has 24 sheets. And this one, $2.99. I have to flip. I know y'all have seen this, but I always somebody to say I should flip it when I don't flip it. Then when I do flip it, they didn't want to flip it. You know how that is. But this is not a new pack, but I hadn't seen the, I hadn't gotten the, I just ripped off the number. Sorry. The number is 2035419. So it's a 24 pack. Double-sided paper. And give you that masculine feel. And nice for making some cards out of it. So I also got it, like I said, and then it repeats itself. So, yeah. So those are the images. And then the last thing I got, which I hadn't seen in my area, which I knew existed, I just hadn't seen it. I missed it every time we had it. Was this paper pad, and this is a photo play, and it's called Slightly Sassy by Leah Roden and Becky Heck. And it's 2045520 for $5.99. 12 sheets of 12 by 12 double-sided and 1 sheet 12 by 12 element stickers. And I'm opening it up because, you know, sometimes the 12 by 12 not always what they seem. We shall see what they have. So this is your sticker cat. I remember that cat. That's I think they had them out in the 70s or something. So I guess this is dated like the 60s, 70s or something like that. So that's the sticker sheet. It's got I woke up fabulous, slightly sassy, just know, Miss Independent, not happening. Sorry, I'm not the maid. So I speak fluent sarcasm. So a little sassy, little sayings. And then these are your two-sided pages, which looks like it's going to be duplicates of that, which is your cut aparts. You can make cards or you can make something else out of that. So 2 sheets of this one. It says looking good, domestic, diva, Miss Sanity, my sanity, no vacation. Sorry. Looking fabulous, hello. So you got your Barbie pins on one side. Probably can't see because of the glare. You got your cats and your clocks. So all your different types of clocks, your analogs back in the day. Newspaper print where you take cash for your spare time. Knitting yarns, 50 cents. Some stripes with a little bit of words on the stripes. Circles and some more cut aparts. I'm on that new die where everything where you eat everything and pray for a miracle. I'm trying to eat more whole foods. Oh, that is so cute. I like that one. Sorry, I can't adult today. If you want breakfast in bed, sleep in the kitchen. I may always arrive late, but I make up for it by leaving early. Mom's alone time, saving children's lives one moment at a time. Ain't nobody got time for that. But that's a modern saying. 3 wise men, be serious. We got 2 of the swirls. And 2 of the dots. So, and then this is the cover. So really you don't get 12 double-sided sheets. I mean, well you do, but the double-sided sheets are cut apart, so that's the only thing about some of these. So you really end up getting like 8 double-sided sheets that's functional, because I mean, unless you don't want to use the double-sided side, because that's 4 double-sided sides. I mean 4 sides with cut aparts on it out of the 12 sheets. But I still like it, still fun. So you just have to know that when you get these sets, a lot of times that's how they come. Some of them have been fine, exactly like they said, but most of them I have gotten are not always exactly as they say. So when you go back and count your sheets, you don't always get 12 double plus, you know, your sticker sheet. But it just depends on how you look at it, you know. But it is 12 sheets, so. I've got some that had only 2 designs and they repeated the same thing over. But nonetheless, I thought it was a cute pad. So that is my small haul from visiting 3 Tuesday mornings out of town. Alright, thanks for liking, watching, and subscribe. And please check out my birthday contest video and participate. And I dare you to be creative. God bless.